introduce you CGDI MB key let's go key, how to write and recite. Here our CGDI MB host USB cable, power, and the key let's go key. That's all we need. Back to the software. Here we have the date, EIS information with key password and the key information. We load file. This one, EIS data and the key password. Read the key. Here you see the version is 76, means the key is key let's go key, and the state here is unused. We open file. Smart key, please choose forward format. Here we have smart key, so we choose forward format. Okay, we choose this one, position 4 and forward format here. Open it. Writing key EEPROM, do not pour out the key. Need be wait a second. Write succeeds. Click OK. We read the key again. Here you see it's still unused. We need to activate the key, and if you have car or EIS, you better do it on car or the EIS. Here we have nothing, so we choose software to activate it. Please enter the correct key password. Here we copy the password, paste here, activate. Please make sure the key is inserted into the device and check the key password. Okay. Activating key. Here, if you use the software to activate the key, it may cause some unknown problems. So better you choose to activate the key in your car or the EIS. Here I have no choice, so we use the software to activate it. Activate the key field, click OK. Choose activate it again. Okay. You see, activate the key succeeds. Okay. Read the key. Use the here. Okay, now I will teach you how to reset the key. One by manual. Here, first you need to push the trunk button here, then push the lock button. Push them together. You see the right light, keep light, and then push the unlock button. Here, it means the key reset succeed. We read the key again. You see unused here, state here. We open file. Smart key, please choose forward format. We still use the forward and for position. Open it. It is writing the EEPROM. Wait. Write succeeds. Okay, we read the key again. Read succeed. We still choose the software to activate it. Password, copy it and paste here. Activate. we read the key again. Here, the state is used here. The second way to reset the key is here. Software, choose reset key. Reset operation succeed. We read the key again. Here you see the state unused. Okay, and here switch frequency. It has two types, 433 and 315. You cannot change it by yourself or the software. You buy it from the factory. It has 433 and you cannot change it. You need to ask the seller, make sure your frequency is right. Okay, that's all. Thank you.